What's going on, guys? GL450 Brothers here for another video, and today we're finally back to some Mercedes content. It's been a while.
Yeah, so we're gonna be changing one of the front struts on the GL.
And just like GL450 Brother fashion, we already did the, what's it, the driver's side?
The driver's side,
like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and you know, I don't know why, you know, when you guys do the air shocks, everybody
always do them in pairs.
You always do them in pairs. Well, our dad said, oh, let's just do one and see how it goes. Well, naturally, a week later, the other one popped because of like the unequal pressure or something in the bag. And it was perfectly fine too. That side was perfectly fine. But
we tested both, and the other side, no leak in it. Well, he ended up going out 2 weeks later. So
2 weeks later. So here we are today. We're gonna do the other side, and we're gonna show you the process. Yep. All right, guys. First thing you want to do is take out this fuse right here. Obviously, we already took it out. Try not to break it. We broke it. So yeah, we'll go from there. But that's what you take out first. All right, guys. Took the wheel off. Didn't show that obviously. So we're gonna cut off the zip tie. Can you see it? Right there.
Yeah. So zip ties right there.
What, are these or not too?
Yeah. Yeah, they're not.
I said these are not. They were installed, I think, 2015.
There's a date right here. The date says
here, let me go over here, take a look.
August 18, or no, August 18, 2015.
All right, so that's actually pretty good. That's better than most of our knots.
That's what, 6 years?
6 years?
Not bad.
Not bad. It's average.
Yeah, so
we like average, right?
Yeah. So we're gonna take off the
This is broke.
Yes, it was already broke. We didn't do it.
All right, guys. Now we're gonna take apart this bolt right here. For the,
they can see, look how dark it is.
You can see? They can see. Now you can see.
I think it's a sway bar end link.
Yeah, so we're gonna take that apart.
Sway bar.
We're gonna put something underneath here to give us some leverage because what happens, it drops.
It's gonna drop fast, so we put something underneath of it to catch it.
It's gonna like that, so we're gonna put a piece of wood and raise it up so it's even, so we can take the bolt out.
Alright guys, so we got that sway bar end link off. Now we're gonna take off the bolt that's holding the bottom of the strut in.
Can you see it? Where's
that? And then after that, we're gonna loosen up the ball joint up on top up here on the control arm.
All right, guys. Next thing we're gonna do, Matt took out the air box over here. Now we're gonna take some of the air out. That way we can decompress that bag.
You'll be able to hear it.
Let's see. I don't know if you can hear it on camera or not. It's kind of windy out.
Matt, can you hear it?
Not yet.
There it goes.
Now I can hear it.
You can see down there. Yeah, there it is.
Loosen it some more. That way it comes out a little bit more.
All right, now that we released the air, time to take this bolt off right here on top.
This one's gonna be in the way. I'm gonna take that bolt off.
Right there.
Maybe, we'll see.
You don't have to take this off. Would you take this all the way off right here?
You could. People do, but I'm lazy.
You don't need to, right?
I'm lazy. I don't feel like doing it. I'm gonna try not to do it if I don't have to.
Can you get a hand one?
It's the laziness for me.
Let's try doing it with the...
All right, guys. We just took out the bolt on the bottom of the strut.
Right there.
Next thing to do, don't forget to do this one. There's a level sensor up here connected. We have to take this off. Where's the connection at?
Right here.
Yeah, right here.
And then next step is the ball joint.
Yeah.
And then that's it. We're gonna work it out.
All right, guys, I gotta do a little recording now because Nick decided to take a bathroom break. But we decided, but we use one of these ball joint separator tools right here to get this off. The key is when you do this, don't take this nut off all the way. Just loosen it up just enough that you can get the ball joint to pop. Because if you take it off all the way, this whole like spindle is gonna like drop it and it come out at you. So make sure you leave that on there. But
this came off upward and then the whole thing drops.
I say this is gonna go up and then this is gonna drop down. So
we've done that already. So let's see what we gotta do.
That's off. So we should be able to just take this bolt off now, and it should just come right off. All right, we got the bolt off for the control arm, and now this can be the hard part. We have to use the crowbar, and we have to get it underneath the bottom of the strut here and compress it, and then get it to be compressed enough to get it over the CV axle. That way we won't cause any damage. So this is gonna be the tough part.
All right, guys. Now we're going to take out the strut.
Grab it.
So did you get it off over the axle?
Huh?
There it goes.
Yeah, but did you record it? You're supposed to. That's what you're here for.
Hey, they saw it.
No,
it's out. There it is. See it? See it? Hold it up like a trophy. Hold it up like you just want Wimbledon.
With a new R knot, you have to take this little thing off. It's like a little washer. And then pull this off because their new engineered system does not require.
Isn't it like universal, the new ones?
It's you just slide the hose in
with the new.
Oh, you don't need that.
We'll show you. We're going to slide it in there, and that's all you do. It's hard to believe.
I say the old ones you have to like screw down with that nut. It's a completely different system, but supposedly it works.
It's hard to believe that it works, but
it gets the job done.
On the other side, it gets the job done.
Can you see it on the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can't tell by looking at it now. You have to actually watch it.
I'll watch it install.
Yeah.
So just got the new strut in. I didn't film it because I was looking at the Mustang, but it's in.
I didn't have to use a crowbar to get this one in. It went nice and easy. Now, while our dad.
It always goes. One side's never like the other. You know that?
Yeah.
The last side.
I'm putting these screws in, Dad. Hang on, just to.
Go and put them in.
Just to hold it a little bit, just hand tight. Then.
Hey, we're becoming experts on this.
Yeah.
We were gonna get charged, I think $800 to change both of these, and we're doing them ourselves. So
probably more than that too.
yeah.
The dealer.
Well, that was from an independent shop. From the dealer, it probably would have been
Probably 1,500 bucks
I
a
would
piece.
say probably $1,200 a piece.
Oh, that's if you can get the strut. They would have used Bilstein probably.
Yeah, these are R-Knots.
So you're looking at maybe 2,000 a
I
corner.
couldn't find Bilstein anywhere. Everywhere I looked, they were out of stock, so we went with R-Knot.
Put the ball joint back on.
That's in there.
In.
Yeah,
I should probably tighten it in now, huh?
yeah, I would. Now we're gonna get this and slide it in there. No bolts. Kind of
Yeah,
interesting.
the way this new system works is the hose is it literally slides right on top, and you have to slide it in, and it kind of like locks itself in, and then you pull on it to make sure it doesn't come out the way it's tight. So just slide it in.
And then see if you can pull it out, Matt.
Yeah. So once it's in,
It's not in
does
all the way.
does it lock in or no? Like you feel it?
It's supposed to lock in, but see if you can push it in there more.
Let me see.
All right, guys, everything's up and ready to go back in. The new zip ties, where they at? Oh, right there.
Well, this little piece broke, so we had to put a little zip tie here.
Had a little rig job, that's
And
all.
somebody broke it last time, whoever changed it.
It was a Dodge ship that changed it last.
Well, obviously they didn't know what they were doing. They ended up busting that, so we put it back together.
It's all good now.
It's all
Put the
good.
Tire on.
Time to put the tire on, big
Once
tire.
we do that, then we'll lower it and
Call it a day.
We're gonna load it all the way.
yeah, we'll let the air fill up first.
All right, now everything's assembled. We just got to put the fuses back in.
We ended up taking both of these out. 'Cause
We broke this.
We took one out, and the
Car was like pumping up or airing out, doing
You still
something.
hear the pump going, so we
Took both out.
took both out. And that obviously we broke that one, so we taped it. So we'll see that.
Little tape job right there, huh?
Yeah,
tape
and
job.
we didn't let the jack out. We took the jack stands out, but didn't let the jack out all the way because we don't want to slam the shock.
Because obviously there's no air in it.
There's no air in it, so we're actually gonna lower it a little bit as it raises, so it's not too hard on it.
All right, guys, that's the end of this video. We got the both struts now replaced.
Take us 2 hours maybe.
About 2 hours, give or take. This one a lot easier than the other side, right?
Yeah,
You know what you're doing
it was
now.
actually easier, yeah.
A lot
Everything
easier.
went smoother, yeah.
I say taking the actual strut out itself was a lot easier. It was actually it was so easy that I didn't even record them actually taking it out because I thought I was gonna give them a hard time like the last time. So that gives you an idea how much easier.
lazy and if like recording.
I feel like I was looking at the Mustang, which right here. Look at the Mustang. But anyway, that's the end of this video. We saved a lot of money doing it ourselves.
Yeah.
Definitely worth it if obviously if you know what you're
It's
doing.
not hard work. It just takes some time, some patience.
Yeah, a little bit of time, couple tools is all you need. But follow us on Instagram at the 40 Brothers and give this video a like and we'll see you guys
Help us
in the
grow
next
a channel.
Huh?
Help us grow a
channel.
channel.
Come on, guys.
man.
Slacking over here. We'll see you guys in the next video.